Hello, everyone, and welcome to Alpha Training Number One. This will be a video series where I walk you through all the way from the beginning here, which is to create your launch blueprint and your app concept. And we do that by really understanding what the vision is for your app and creating a vision aligned goal, and then using that to really have a full blueprint moving forward. So we'll start there, and then I will show you how to start actually building your app, and we'll start with the landing page in Softer. That's the no-code app platform that we're using. And this landing page is going to be super simple, but it'll be a way for you to actually start collecting emails through your waitlist and build that email list while you are working on your app. I'll also be showing you how to set up your Notion databases, because this is the back end of your app. So whatever data you're going to have on the front end of your app in Softer, we're going to be building it in Notion. So that'll be this first training number one. And then, of course, we will keep building automations and integrations with our app in future trainings. So let's go ahead and get started. So in this first video, I'm going to walk you through the launch blueprint. This is actually the first official app of the Alpha Marketplace. So Alpha is a project hub marketplace for creators, entrepreneurs, business owners that are building and developing apps, whether those are no-code apps or code apps. It's a place for you to find your team and actually market your app so that you can monetize it and grow your business. So we start here with Launch Blueprint. This is the first app, and the Launch Blueprint will help you to really understand your vision and then have an actual app concept that you can work with. So this also gives you an example of what a very simple app on Alpha looks like. So this is a basic app. It doesn't take long to build, but it's very powerful because it has built-in automations inside of it. So to start this process, we really want to start here. This is step one. So we'll just come here and click the Start Building button, and then it will take you to this page. You can also get here by clicking the Create button as well. It's a very simple app. We only have a couple of buttons here. We're only doing one thing here, and that is creating our launch blueprint. So it really starts with your vision, and then from there, we're creating your vision aligned goal. Now, to do this, we just have to answer three very, very important questions that, again, we're going to use to actually build out your app concept. So the first question that we're answering is, what is the ultimate problem your product aims to solve, and who will benefit from it? This is so important. Before we start getting into a concept or blueprint, we really have to get clear on this part. So for this video, I'm just going to do a basic example here, and I'll use Alpha as our test here. So what's the ultimate problem your product aims to solve? So Alpha is an app marketplace. And even if you don't know this much, it's okay. You can just get right into the problem. But Alpha is an app marketplace that solves the problem of creators and entrepreneurs who don't know how to build apps or market their apps to the public. It gives them a collaborative space to learn and connect with other builders and users. And you can see here, I'm also answering the question of who will benefit from it, okay, creators and entrepreneurs. What is the primary value or transformation you want your users to experience? The primary transformation is that users will design, build, and publish their first app and successfully launch it to their community. Okay. Transformation, let me spell that correctly. All right, what would success look like for your product in the next 6 months to a year? Now, just so you know, you can always come back and do this again. You can always edit this. This is really just to get started, but it is really important for you to be thinking about the future and what does that look like. And for this question, I like to have something tangible, outcome-based. So I'll say in the next 6 years, 6 months, success would look like 100 creators, entrepreneurs launching their first app. So that would be amazing. And then you'll just put in your email address here, and it will actually notify me that you've completed the app blueprint questions. And then there's just a couple of steps that we have to go through, but then we send you the email. So once you create your custom blueprint or press this button, it's actually going to take you to a results page. Now, remember, everything that you're seeing here, this is an example of something that you can do for your app. So maybe you're thinking about a form with some questions that you can ask. That then you'll be able to turn around and supply some sort of report or analysis. This is a really, really great lead magnet, a great way to collect emails. As you see, I ask for your email in this process. So it'll take you to the submissions page, and then to see your results, just click see all results. Now these are community results, so you'll be able to see everyone's results here. And the results that it's giving you here, these are the results that you get right away. This is not your actual blueprint. This is your vision statement and PACT goal. Now, what is a PACT goal? It's an outcome-based goal. The P stands for purposeful, the A stands for actionable, C is continuous, and T is trackable. And this is really, really important so that you have something actually measurable and outcome-driven. So you'll see here, I have my vision statement, empowering creators and entrepreneurs to turn their innovative ideas into impactful apps through collaboration, learning, and community support, unlocking their potential to shape the digital future. And then I have my very specific outcome-driven PACT goal here, which is to guide 100 creators and entrepreneurs. I won't read the whole thing. And then if you feel inspired, you can come through and see what the community has actually submitted. Lots of awesome vision statements and PACT goals here. Now, remember, once you've done this, you can just wait and you will get an email with the full blueprint. So that's where we will go next.